Oh, oh, feels amazing, right? So satisfying. Hell no, it's not good, it's not good, it's not at all good to rub your eyes. Why is it so important to know and what are the ill effects? Let's find out in today's video. So without any further delay, let's dive in. So now let us first understand why do we feel the urge to itch? In other terms, what are the common causes of eye itching? The first and foremost is allergy. Now allergy can be due to most commonly dust and pollens. Other causes of allergy include living in unhygienic conditions and having unchanged bed sheets or linens for a prolonged amount of time or days. Other causes of eye itching includes cold, flu, increased screen time, sneezing, sleep disturbances, uncorrected refractive errors, dry eyes, infections, and often prolonged use of contact lenses as well. Now it's very important to know what is causing itching so that we can customize the treatment accordingly and give the best results for you. Now you'll say, what's the big deal in rubbing the eyes, right? Well, see for yourself how our delicate eyes get deformed when you rub them. This is an MRI scan which shows the same. So there are many reasons why you should not be rubbing your eyes, and I'm gonna tell you all of them. So let's begin. So the first reason why you should not be rubbing your eyes is because you are inviting eye infections. We have discussed about it in detail in the previous video, please go have a look. But to tell you in short, when you rub your eyes with dirty hands, you are inviting those pesky germs on and in your eyes. And trust me, you don't want a germ party in your eyes. The second reason is that corneal abrasions might be caused, or in other words, you might get scratches on cornea. Now, cornea is the front surface of the eye, which is very important to focus the light adequately and perfectly on the retina. Now, if this is scratched, you will not be able to see clearly, number one. Number two, your nerves in the cornea will be exposed and you will have a lot of irritation, discomfort and pain. And in severe cases, you might land up in an ulcer which might lead to vision loss as well. The third reason is corneal thinning or steepening. In other words, when you rub your eyes a lot, the front surface of the eye again thins out and in severe cases can land into a disease known as keratoconus. And trust me, you don't want it because it comes with a huge set of problems which we will be discussing in the further videos. The next reason you might not want to rub your eyes is dark circles. Yes, I have been a victim of it. I used to rub my eyes a lot, and what it leads to is rupture of small vessels beneath the skin of the eyelids. Now due to this, the blood seeps beneath the skin. It is not very visible, and in late stages, it causes pigmentation around the eyes. In other words, dark circles. The next reason you might want to not rub your eyes is having fine wrinkles and lines around the eyes. Now this happens because when you rub your eyes, the collagen and elastin, which is responsible for firmness of the eyelids, gets broken down, and that leads to fine lines and wrinkles. Well, no one wants to look older than their age. Our next reason to resist temptation of rubbing your eyes is increased eye pressure. When you rub your eyes, the pressure inside the eye drastically increases, and this causes severe fluctuations which increases the risk of glaucoma, more so in patients with family history of glaucoma. The next reason you would not want to rub your eyes is because it worsens the dry eye symptoms. Because when you rub your eyes, the tear films which moisturizes your eye gets disturbed, exaggerating the symptoms of dry eye. It's like pouring salt water in a desert instead of quenching its thirst. The next reason, when you rub your eyes, what might happen is the blood vessels on the surface might get ruptured and you will land up in something known as subconjunctival hemorrhage, which appears as red eyes. Now this seems to be very scary, though it is very benign and it takes a lot of time to resolve. The next reason is contact lens displacement. If you are wearing contact lenses, please do not rub your eyes because then it will shift from its normal position and often at times fall out. Also, if your hands are dirty, you are in turn introducing germs, bacteria and viruses in your eyes, leading to increased risk of infection due to contact lens and might in severe cases lead to ulcer and vision loss as discussed earlier. And last but not the least, reason number 10, if you rub your eyes very vigorously, it might lead to serious complications like retinal detachment as well. though very rare, but it is very serious. So please take care of those delicate eyes. Well, having said that, what to do if you have that intense urge to itch your eyes? So there are some remedies. First and foremost, remember, prevention is always better than cure. So if you know that if you're allergic to something, please avoid that allergen. But again, if you feel that intense urge to itch, you can itch at the corners rather than itching above the eyes. So itch at the corners like this. It might give you a temporary relief. The third solution is use over-the-counter artificial tear drops, which are very much accessible and very much easily available. But again, do not go for gulab gel or Ayurvedic eye drops here. Another very good routine habit to prevent eye rubbing and reduce allergy is using ice packs. Now, I use it regularly at night daily before sleeping for at least 10 minutes, and it's remarkable, it's phenomenal. So just put it in the eye bag like this and just relax out for 10 minutes. Oh, it feels amazing. Well, you can buy these from the link in my description below. They are super comfortable and gives a lot of relief. So that was it for today. I hope you liked this video. Put a thumbs up, push that bell notification icon and subscribe to my channel. Until next time when we meet again, avoid rubbing your eyes and save the unnecessary hassle and visits to our clinic. So take care and see you around.